like and subscribe. Free crypto, bro.
Yo, what's up crypto people? Welcome to another video. This is going to be a fast one where I will show you a very simple and legit Dogecoin crypto faucet. So guys, as always, you need to have a FAUCETPay account to be able to claim this Dogecoin. If you don't have one, you can join by using the link in the description below, okay? So once you log into your FAUCETPay, you just need to copy your Dogecoin address, okay? So we copy our Dogecoin wallet address and then we go to the site. So guys, this is how the site looks like. Very simple, very easy. BTCearn.top. Take notice that when you join this site, the music will play here at the bottom right corner, so feel free to pause this, okay? Anyways guys, here you can see their current Dogecoin balance. They have 54 Dogecoin, so the balance is full. So guys, take this crypto, take all of it. Okay. So there's two types of claims, two amounts. So this is the most possible one, okay? So you can get 10k Dogecoin satoshis per claim, okay? But you can also get double that amount. There's a 10% chance that you can claim double this amount, okay? So guys, there's 12 claims per day. You can claim every 1 minute. The great thing about this faucet is that they have an optional shortlink, okay? So this is great for all of you people who want to increase your earnings per claim. Feel free to complete the shortlink, it's an easy one, okay? But if you don't want to, you don't have to, okay? So you can claim Dogecoin without doing the shortlink. So guys, here's the place where we paste our Dogecoin address that we copied for FAUCETPay. After that we need to do this very simple double captcha, okay? Select all objects that can go inside the box in the image. Okay, nice. After you do this double captcha, you will just need to wait this short timer. Once it finishes, we click get reward and we get the Dogecoin. Okay, here's the music. Okay, so here's the Dogecoin. It gets sent instantly to your FAUCETPay account. There's no minimum withdrawals, so really nice. So here's the payment proof. You can also claim free Litecoin on this site, but I don't know, the claims are a little bit small, so but feel free to use this faucet, okay? If you want some higher paying faucets, check out some of the videos on my channel or the links in the description below. That would be it guys, thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate your support and see you in the next video. Bye bye, peace.